Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 3 of the chapter Algebraic expressions and identities. In this part 3, we will be discussing questions of the exercise 9.1. Coming to the question number 1 of the exercise 9.1. In this question number 1, we are asked to find among given algebraic expressions, identifying the terms and their coefficients for each of these expressions. Then the question number 2 is list of algebraic expressions are given and we are asked to classify those algebraic expressions as monomial, binomial, trinomial and so on. Then coming to the question number 3. In the question number 3, we are given 4 sub questions. In each sub question, we are given some algebraic expressions and we are asked to do addition of them. Then coming to the question number 4, we have got 3 sub questions and in each sub question we have asked to do subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now I am going to teach you 1 or 2 questions of each main question. That is, coming to the question number 1, we are asked to do identifying the terms among the given expressions. Later we are asked to identify the coefficients of them. For example, if I take, let us say, question number 1. In question number 1, I have terms 5x y z square is a one term and second 3 zy with the negative sign is the second term. So we have got totally 2 terms, and when it comes to the coefficient of first term, let us say 5x y z square is 5 because it is the numerical part. Similarly, coefficient of second term, that is 3 zy is minus 3, which is the numerical part of it. So this is how we do this main question. For the second one and third one, you can do it and make a table like this. Here in this table you could observe, for the question 1, the terms are written separately and their coefficients are written besides. So for the second one and third one, I expect you doing like this as a table. Which are the terms? Terms are 1 x and x square and their coefficients are in each term. Coefficient of 1 is 1 only, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x square is 1. Why? Because there is nothing, means we will write 1 into x, 1 into x square. So that numerical part becomes coefficient. Okay. In the third one you can observe there are 3 terms. One term is 4x square y square, second term is minus 4x square y square z square and third term is z square. So coefficient of the first term is 4, coefficient of the second term is minus 4 and coefficient of the third term z square is there is nothing means 1 into z square we can write, and that 1 acts as coefficient. Now, coming to the question number 4, 5 and 6. This in the main question 1, where you are asked to find terms and as well as coefficients, I am giving it as work for you. So, this is your homework. You do it in your homework book properly, exercise 9.1. So, you can cross check. This is the answer after doing. And next, coming to the question number 2. See children, in this question number 2, we have asked to classify the following. I can tell you, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is the 10th one, 10, 11th one and 12. There are 12 algebraic expressions given, and we have to classify them, these polynomials, as a monomial, binomial, trinomial. Now, I am writing monomial, binomial and trinomial. So, let me say I have got a basket containing title of monomial, a basket containing title of binomial and a basket containing title of trinomial. So, while classifying, I will put one by one by picking into, dropping them into these baskets. First one, it has got 2 terms, so it is a binomial. Second one, it has got only 1 term, so it is a, second one is a monomial. Third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms are there, it is a polynomial. And the one which does not fit becomes a polynomial only, and that third one comes under, which is not fitting into these 3 boxes, third one separately comes, because it has got totally 4 terms. Fourth one has got 1, 2, 3 terms, 7, y, 5x. So, 3 terms, so it becomes trinomial. And in fifth one, there are 2 terms, that is 2y and minus 3y square. So, it is a, sorry, comes here binomial, na? And sixth one, it has got 3 terms, so comes in trinomial. Seventh one, 1, 2, 3, it has got again 3 terms, comes in trinomial. And in eighth one, there are 2 terms, so comes in binomial. Then AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So, ninth one comes under polynomial because it has got 4 terms, PQR. So, it has only 1 term, that is 10th one comes as monomial. Now, P square Q plus PQ square, this becomes binomial. So, 11th one comes under binomial. 2P plus 2Q, that also has 2 terms, so it comes in a binomial. So, this is how I do classification. So, out of these 12 algebraic expressions, we have only third and ninth one which are not fitting in the monomial or binomial or trinomial boxes. So, the answer would be, here is the answer. So, this is how we write solution. Monomials are 1000 and PQR, that is second one, and this 10th one. Binomials are x plus y, 2y minus 3y square and 4z minus 15z square, p square q plus pq square, 2p plus 2q. These are binomials and trinomials are written. So, the one which does not fit are x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4 third one, and ab plus bc plus cd plus da, that is 10th one. So, they do not fit in, sorry, 9th one, they do not fit in. Polynomials that do not fit in these three categories will be these two. Okay. So, coming to the question number 3. Now, it is a very important concept, that is doing addition. Here amongst these 4 sub questions, I will do only 2 questions. Now, choice is yours, which one to be done. So, what shall I do? Okay, let me do it. First one. In the first one, AB minus BC. First, there is a one binomial which I have written. Second binomial, BC minus CA. So, like term under like term, BC under BC I have written. CA minus AB, where I am writing, here I am writing, and plus CA I am writing here. Why? Because that minus AB like term for this. So, I have rearranged this third polynomial or a binomial as minus AB plus CA. So, minus AB plus CA. Now, I am doing addition. When I am doing addition, no need of changing any symbols. AB minus AB get cancels, so nothing comes here. Minus BC plus BC get cancels, nothing comes here. Minus CA and plus CA get cancels, so nothing comes here. So, 0 is the answer. When we add these binomials in the question 1, we get sum as the 0. Now, coming to the next important, I am taking question number, let us say third one. In third one, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. So, there are 3 terms in it. So, it is a trinomial I have written first. Then 5 is a like term, I will write under this, plus 7 pq is a like term with this minus 3 pq. So, I will write below that, minus 3 p square q square is a like terms to the 2p square q square. So, I have written that as first. So, when I am doing addition, I am rearranging the terms of this trinomial 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square as minus 3p square q square first, plus 7pq, then plus 5. So, that they come like term under like term. So, now addition becomes minus 2, sorry, plus 2 minus 3 gives minus 1 time of p square q square, minus 3 plus 7 gives you plus 4 time of pq, plus 4 plus 5 gives plus 9. This is the result, that is the sum. So, children, I have done first question, sum means first sub question and third sub question, and I expect you doing on your own second one and fourth one on your own. So, this is the result. You can pass the screen and cross check answer after doing addition of the given algebraic expressions in second and fourth. Now, coming to the question number 4. In this question number 4, we are given algebraic expressions and we are asked to do subtraction. So, let me do for the sub question A. We are asked to subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from, that means this becomes minuend. So, minuend always to be written first, that is 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 comes on top. Now, this becomes subtrahend. So, in this subtrahend we have 4a being like term under 12a to be written minus 7ab like term to be written under minus 9ab plus 3b is a like term under 5b I am writing plus 12 is a like term with the minus 3. So, I am writing down below of it, and now symbols of subtrahend will change in subtraction operation. So, if it is plus becomes minus, if it is minus it becomes plus. So, I am changing the symbols in third row. So, in third row I have changed. Now, this is 12 minus 4. So, 12 minus 4 gives you 8. So, 8a minus 9 plus 7. So, I have to take this third row symbol for subtrahend. So, plus 7 gives me minus 2. So, it is minus 2 times of ab. This is plus 5 minus 3 becomes plus 2b, and minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. This is the difference. So, we have difference as 8a minus 2ab plus 2b and minus 15 is the answer. So, children, we need to do rest of the questions B and C. If you want me to do B and C, I will do it, but you try it first, it will help you a lot. Okay, let me do any one out of B and C. Which shall I do? I will do it C only, C1. So, this is minuend. So, I am writing first minuend, rearranging terms. I will take 5 p square cube first, then I will take according to this one plus 5 pq I will take, and next minus 2p q square I am taking, then minus 11 I will take minus 3p, then minus 11q, and then plus 18. Check once, plus 18 minus 11q minus 3p minus 2pq square plus 5pq and plus 5p q square. So, now minuend I have rearranged first, then subtrahend I am writing as it is 4p square cube minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. So, sorry, let me wipe out and draw it properly. Again I have to so symbols I am changing because it is subtraction. In subtraction operation, symbols of the subtrahend changes. So, I have changed. Now, 5 minus 4 gives 1 p square cube, plus 5 plus 3 gives plus 8 p cube, minus 2 minus 5 gives minus 7 p q square, minus 3 plus 8 gives plus 5 time p, minus 11 minus 7 gives minus 18 q, plus 18 plus 10 is plus 28. So, I have 5p square q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus 5p plus 28 and minus 18q as the answer. So, you can cross check. Here I have got a result, you can see in your answers. So, with this I have completed almost all the questions of exercise 9.1. Whatever I have left for you to do as a homework, you do it. So, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.